Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan the Paul here. So in this video, what I'll be going over this time is just saying thank you and showing appreciation for you guys being my subscribers. Recently, I just hit 1,000 subscribers, if you don't know what a sub is, for YouTube. And I just wanted to give thanks and pay it forward and give some things away. So recently, I actually had a little contest and I guess for a giveaway. And on the milestone of hitting 1,000 subscribers, I gave away some stuff, and I posted the contest on social media just to get some more subscribers and stuff like that. And it actually worked, and I did give away a gift. Actually, it was 2 people, because hey, some people followed the instructions, some people did not, and I still actually just was like, hey, this is a great way to help those and say thank you to my followers and my subscribers, because I do care about what you say. So I'm going to show you guys what I gave away, and she was lucky enough to, kind enough I should say, to do a video of what she got. So watch this and stay tuned.
Go to his YouTube and leave a comment and subscribe. So doing that, I got this amazing gift, and I want to go ahead and open it up. And let's see what's inside. Alright, so you gotta love Amazon. It's always full of papers and puffs. Alright, so one of the things I got was a beauty ring light. I'm super excited because this is something I've been needing. I just haven't bought it. And I'm excited, so I really appreciate it, Ryan DePaul, for sending this to me. So once I get it set up, I will show you what it looks like. But when you kind of follow directions or get part of other people's little contests or entries, you kind of win some fun stuff. So I'm super excited, and I'll see you inside. Thank you so much, and I'll show you next time what it looks like, and hopefully it'll be better than this. Thank you, and bye for now.
And I'm back. So, hey, that was to some that's maybe a small gift, to some that's a huge gift. But I figure, hey, I do a YouTube channel. I'm growing myself. I think it's a great little gift to give out to somebody. Actually, I gave it to 2 people. I let 2 people won. One had actually graced me with a video of her opening the package that I shipped over there to her, and she loves it. So it's great. It'll help somebody to create videos themselves and hopefully take their video marketing to the next level. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be doing this more often. So that was just for my 1,000 subscriber milestone. And I'm extremely grateful for you guys. Just for the fact that I listen to what you guys say. And I'll engage. I'll always, keep on put out content that you guys like and that you guys hopefully get value from. So with that, what else? I mean, I'm just so grateful. So that was for 1,000 subscribers, like I said. But like I said, the more and more subscribers I'll be doing, more contests and giveaways like this. And hopefully you guys really still get some value from this. And yeah, guys. So until the next one. Oh, if you're checking out this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Give me some likes. Share this even if you don't want to. And comment below too. I mean, let me know what you think. I mean, I actually do listen to the comments. I had a comment one time. Somebody said on one of my videos that I would sound distorted, and I had a lot of static from something going on. So I had to end up upgrade my mics. I had to troubleshoot that. So I listen, I reply back, and I'm truly grateful for all of what you guys do, all my followers, all of my subscribers, and let's keep on rocking it. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.